Hi, welcome to Crochetilla. In this video, I'll show you how I crochet sunflower granny square bag. Attention, in this video, I will use full English, so if you're Indonesian, please click the subtitle button down below. Thank you. So, move on to the video. This bag is an order from my customer. She asked me to make a granny square sunflower bag with a long strap because she had seen the tutorial on my channel about it but want a bigger version with a longer strap. So here's some of the materials you need to make this bag. I use 5 colors that are identical to sunflowers. For yellow, green, brown and black yarn, I use Pakit Cotton yarn, and for orange one, I use Praktis Cotton yarn. You will also gonna need 2mm crochet hook, darning needle, measuring tape and scissors. So here's the pattern for the bag. It's total of 13 squares. Tutorial for making granny square sunflowers has been uploaded before, link on the description box. But as you can see, there is a slight difference between the granny in the tutorial and the granny that I'm using now. The difference is just on the size. The granny that I'm using now is more big than the granny in the tutorial. It's because I add 2 more rows of double crochet on the outside the squares. To join the squares, I slip stitch on the back side of the squares, not in the front but in the back. Why I use slip stitch? Because in my opinion, slip stitch will make my bag more neat and more strong. After you finish join all the squares, fold the seats so that it forms the body of the bag, and then continue to make a slip stitch on the side so that you can have a body of the bag. For the strap, I only use single crochet. I'll include the link on the description box of how to do single crochet. I single crochet from the middle up and then do 117 chains for the rope, and then single crochet again on the other side, and then do the same thing again on the other side of the bag. I make 2 rows of single crochet on the in and outside of the strap. This is the final look of the bag. I hope she likes it, and through this video I want to thank everyone who wants to order bags and support my small business. Okay, that's all for today. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Follow my social media if you want to, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!